the October heat, guys. Don't forget to drink your water and stay hydrated. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Redmi Pad. Yep, another tablet from the house of Xiaomi. Now this is not coming under the Xiaomi branding, it is coming under the Redmi branding, and you know what that means. It's going to be more affordable and it's going to be for the masses. Now you've read the title of this video. It says the right combination. I feel that Redmi Pad has got the right combination for budget tablets. For any tablet, there are three major pillars or three major use cases for that matter: media, work, and gaming. Let's cover these topics one by one. We'll start with media. I feel that this is the most common use case. People buy a tablet for the best media viewing experience. They don't want to consume media on their small smartphone screen. That's why they go for a tablet. So how is the media viewing experience on Redmi Tab? Well, it is really good. It all starts with that beautiful display. Redmi Pad comes with a 2K IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Yes, we'll talk about 90Hz in just a bit. It's a 2000 by 1200 LCD panel and the pixel density is 221 ppi, which is completely okay for a tablet. Now this is also a 10-bit display, which means that it will show a wider range of color, and I have noticed that the color accuracy on Redmi Pad is really good. So the media viewing experience is top notch. Things like watching movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, or even Instagram reels for that matter. Now here's a quick side note. Instagram viewing experience is way better on Android as compared to iOS. I don't know why Instagram hasn't launched a dedicated iPad app as of yet. That is long overdue. But anyway, coming back to the Redmi Pad, it also has Widevine L1 certification, which means you can watch full HD content on OTT platforms. Now this display does not support HDR or Dolby Vision, so please make a note of that. Now one of the most important and awesome features with this tablet is a 90Hz refresh rate. Yes, you get a 90Hz refresh rate in this price range, which is excellent. 90Hz makes everything smooth. So scrolling, swiping around, animations, and also the pencil experience. So if you're taking notes or drawing something, even that experience is smooth because of the 90Hz refresh rate. I absolutely love the fact that Xiaomi is giving you a higher refresh rate display over here. That is highly appreciated. Now display is just one part of media. The second important part is the audio experience. It has a couple of aspects: speakers and headphone jack. Right off the bat, you do not get a headphone jack with this device, which is kind of sad. This is a budget tablet and Redmi should have included the headphone jack. So yeah, RIP headphone jack, you will be dearly missed. But on the flip side, you get a set of quad speakers which sound really good for the price range of this tablet. The sound is clear and it does not distort at higher volumes. That is the main thing, it does not distort. So if you're watching Netflix and just using the speakers, you will be sorted. And if you don't want to do that, you will have to use wireless audio. All in all, for media, I'm going to give this tablet a 9 out of 10. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 if the headphone jack was there, but it's not there. And yeah, please make a note that I am keeping the price range in mind and then giving the rating. So the rating is not overall, it's in this price range. The next major pillar or use case is work. A lot of people buy tablets for work. It might be their secondary device with a laptop, or it might be their primary device as well. And in this pillar, I would also consider education. Education or e-learning is a big part of a tablet experience. So how does the Redmi Pad perform in this aspect? Well, it's really good. First up, let's get the specifications out of the way. With the Redmi Pad, you get a MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Along with that, you get up to 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. You can also expand the storage up to 1TB with a micro SD card. And this tablet is launching in only one variant, which is Wi-Fi. You do not get an LTE variant with the Redmi Pad, which I feel is a missed opportunity because a lot of people do require that LTE connection. So maybe Redmi can launch an LTE variant later on, but as of right now, you'll get only the Wi-Fi variant. The performance for work-oriented applications has been great on the Redmi Pad. So things like working on an Excel file or PowerPoint presentation or using Lightroom to edit thumbnails, everything has been really good with the Redmi Pad. I feel that Redmi has done a good job by giving the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is a 6nm processor by the way. So yeah, performance for productivity-based applications has been really good. Now with that, one important point is software. Redmi Pad comes with MIUI 13 based on Android 12 out of the box. So it's good to see that you get Android 12, it's not Android 11, and Xiaomi has done a great job with their tablet software. MIUI 13 is jam-packed with features which are very useful for a tablet experience. For example, multitasking. You can have a split screen view where two applications are working side by side, and you can store that split screen in memory. So if you switch to another application and come back to the split screen, it will be as it is. Not only that, you get floating windows. So for example, I've kept two floating windows, the calculator and Spotify. So whenever I want to quickly calculate something, the calculator is right there, and so is Spotify if I want to listen to music. It's a very good experience in terms of software, and Xiaomi has done a great job over here. Also, the built-in notes application is great for note taking. Like I am taking a note over here with a third-party pencil which costs like 350 rupees on Amazon. Yeah, literally 350 rupees. You can use that pencil to quickly take notes, and the built-in notes application is top class. So it's not like they've taken MIUI for smartphones, just scaled it up and called it a day. Nope, nothing like that. They have worked on the software and given us features which are very important for a tablet experience. And yeah, one more important point over here, Xiaomi is not launching a first-party pencil with the Redmi Pad. You will have to buy a third-party pencil, which I feel is okay. You can get a normal stylus which will cost you under 500 rupees, and you can call it a day. Don't worry, I'll drop a link to it in the description box below. All in all, for work and education, the Redmi Pad does not disappoint. Gaming is a big part of the tablet experience, and how does the Redmi Pad perform in terms of gaming? Well, it performs good. This is a budget tablet, but for the price range, the gaming performance is really good and better than other tablets out there. The main reason why other tablets don't perform so well in gaming is because of the processor. I'm really glad that Redmi went with the MediaTek Helio G99 over here, because it will give you good gaming performance for the price of this tablet. If you want very good gaming performance, you should go for a better tablet like the Xiaomi Pad 5. It comes with a Snapdragon 860, which has a way better gaming experience, so please make a note of that. So if you are a heavy gamer and looking for a tablet for that, I would say go with an iPad or Xiaomi Pad 5. That will give you a better experience. But if you're like me, who's not a heavy gamer and wants to play a couple of games here and there, then you can consider the Redmi Pad as well. So those were the three major pillars, but there are some common points across these pillars. Number one is battery life and charging. Redmi Pad comes with an 8000 mAh battery, and the battery life has been nothing short of excellent. You can easily use this tablet for a couple of days, and even more if you're a light user. If you're a light user, you can use it for 3 days as well, which is really good battery life. And with that, you get 18-watt charging, which is not fast charging by any means. The massive 8000 mAh battery will take about 2 hours to charge completely. So yeah, it's not fast charging, but it's good charging. It's not very slow either. With that being said, it also has a USB Type-C port, and you can connect pen drives or thumb drives to this port. So if you quickly want to transfer files here and there, then you can connect a thumb drive. For biometric authentication, you have face unlock. You do not get a fingerprint sensor. It's only face unlock or a passcode. Now with this tablet, you also get a rear camera which can be used for document scanning. It's an 8 megapixel sensor and more than enough for document scanning or quickly taking a photo here and there. Now this is a very quick front camera video test with the Redmi Pad. So if you want to use this tablet for online video calls or for e-learning, then you can definitely do so. And this is how the video quality will look. Now you guys let me know about the audio quality as well. How are the microphones in the comment section down below. Now I know you have been waiting for this question. Should you buy the Redmi Pad? Well, I'm gonna say yes, you can buy the Redmi Pad, but do not go with the base variant. The base variant is gonna come with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage. 3GB RAM is very less for a tablet, especially if you want to use those multitasking features. If you want to use those features, please go with 4GB or even 6GB of RAM. That will give you the best experience, and that is my honest opinion. If you ask about the price, as of shooting this video, I do not know the price of this tablet, but if I had to guess, it will come under 15,000 because we know Redmi and they are going to surprise us. Don't worry, I will update the pricing in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Redmi Pad. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.